guys, welcome to my first unboxing and review video. Today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Xiaomi mijia water flosser. This is the box it comes in. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have the box of accessories, and underneath it is the water flosser itself. The box of accessories contains the USB cable, the user manual in Mandarin, and the 4 nozzles for the flosser. If you're looking to buy this item, there is a link to the product in the description below. This is the water flosser itself. The power button is to turn the device on and off. The mode button is to select from the strong mode, the normal mode, sensitive mode, and the pulse mode. On the top, there is a button to release the nozzle attachments. This is how you attach the nozzles, and to remove it, just simply press the release button and pull the nozzle out. To remove the water tank, twist the tank to the right and pull it out. The tank holds 200 ml of water. The large capacity allows for extended use and multiple users as well. This hatch at the bottom is where you fill up the tank with water without removing the tank from the device. And the top is where you can get a brush in to clean the tank when needed. Now, on to the nozzles. It comes with 4 types of nozzles. The standard nozzle is perfect for food and debris between the teeth and the gum line. The tongue wash nozzle, as the name implies, helps keep your tongue clean. There is also a nozzle with a brush on it, which I use often because of my braces and sensitive teeth. Lastly, an orthodontic nozzle for more specialized oral care, such as flushing away food residues from braces. The water flosser charges with a Type-C USB cable. With its large battery capacity, I have been able to use it for weeks at a time without recharging it. The charging port has a water-resistant cover on it to allow for an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means you do not have to worry about water splashing onto the device. Thank you for watching my first unboxing and review video. Please subscribe, share and hit the like button if you like the video. Follow me on Instagram at AmirahVGI for more content and see you in the next video. Bye guys!